In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva on Squarespace website. We'll start by setting up a clean page in Squarespace, then we'll grab an embed code from your Canva design and place it on the site. By the end, your live page will display your Canva content exactly where you want it. First, head to your Squarespace account dashboard and sign in. From the account view, click Dashboard to open your site's area. Choose Create Website to start a fresh project. When the template chooser opens, select Squarespace Templates. Instead of picking a pre-designed layout, choose Build Your Own Template so we have full control. Next, pick the blank template. Confirm by clicking Start with this design. This gives you a blank canvas that's perfect for embedding external content. Inside the site editor, open the website section in the left panel, then go to Pages. Select the page you want to work on and click Edit to enter the page editor. We'll create an empty area for the Canva embed, so click Add Section, choose Add Blank to insert a clean section with no content, confirm the new section so it appears on the page. You now have a dedicated space to place your Canva design. Switch over to your Canva design. With the design open, click Share in the top right. To view every publishing option, click See All. Look for the Embed option and select it. On the next screen, click Embed again to continue. Canva will generate an HTML embed code that works nicely inside Squarespace. Click HTML embed code to reveal it, then click Copy to place the full embed code on your clipboard. Keep this tab open in case you want to adjust size later, but for now the code is ready to paste. Jump back to the Squarespace page editor. In the blank section you created, click Add Block to insert a new content block. From the block picker, click Code. Then choose Embed so you're using Squarespace's embed interface. Open the block settings by clicking Edit on the block. If you see a choice, select Code Snippet to ensure you can paste full HTML. Next, open Embed Data. Click Add Code to reveal the input field. Paste in the code you copied from Canva. When you're done, click Embed to apply the code and render the content on your page. You should see a live preview of your Canva design right in the editor. Now adjust the size so it looks the way you want. Click the edge of the code block and drag to resize it. Use the handles again to fine-tune the width or height until the design fits the layout of your section. Take a moment to check spacing above and below the block so the page feels balanced. When everything looks right, click Save to keep your changes. Then click Exit to leave the editor and return to your site view. Finally, check the site to confirm that the embed appears correctly on the live page. Scroll and test the layout on both desktop and mobile. If you need to make tweaks, re-enter Edit on the page, adjust the block size, and save again. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the embed doesn't appear, make sure you pasted the full HTML embed code from Canva rather than a link preview. If the design feels cramped, try widening the section or adding padding so the embed has room to breathe. And if you later update your Canva design, those changes will typically reflect automatically wherever it's embedded, which is a big time saver. That's it. You created a blank section in Squarespace, pulled the HTML embed code from Canva, placed it using the embed interface, resized it for a clean layout, saved your work, exited the editor, and checked the live site. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your Canva designs on your Squarespace website.